In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT 4 with Webflow. This simple integration can streamline your workflow and allow you to leverage the power of AI in your Webflow projects. So let's dive in and see how it's done. First, head over to Zapier.com. Zapier is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to connect different applications without needing to code, making automation accessible for everyone. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to get started. Next, you'll want to create a Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow between your chosen apps. Look for the Make a Zap button, typically located at the top of the Zapier dashboard. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can start building your automated workflow. Now, you need to select a trigger. In Zapier, a trigger is an event that starts your Zap. This is where we'll connect OpenAI. In the search bar, type OpenAI and click on it when it appears in the drop-down menu. This will guide you to set up the initial trigger for your Zap using OpenAI. After selecting OpenAI, you'll need to choose a trigger event. This could be anything specific to what you need. For example, generating a new AI response. Once you've decided on the trigger event that best suits your needs, click to select it. The next step is to sign in to OpenAI. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials. It's important to have your OpenAI account details handy for a smooth sign-in process. Once signed in, Zapier will be able to access your OpenAI account to initiate the trigger. With your OpenAI trigger set up, it's time to test it. Testing the trigger ensures that everything is working correctly before you move on to setting up the action. Click on the Test Trigger button, and Zapier will run a test using the data from your OpenAI account. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, let's move on to selecting an action. An action is what happens after the trigger is activated. In this case, we want to connect with Webflow. So in the Action search bar, type Webflow and click on it when it appears. Once you've selected Webflow, you'll need to choose an action event. This is the task that will be executed in Webflow, such as creating or updating a collection item. Choose the action on event that aligns with what you want to achieve in your Webflow project. Before proceeding, you'll need to sign in to Webflow. Just like with OpenAI, you'll enter your credentials to allow Zapier access. After signing in, your Webflow account will be connected to Zapier, ready for action. Finally, it's time to test the action. Testing ensures that your Zap is working as intended from start to finish. Click on Test Action and watch as Zapier runs through the steps, confirming that the action in Webflow is executed correctly. Once everything is tested and confirmed, you're all set. And there you have it. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT 4 with Webflow using Zapier. With your Zap successfully set up, you can now automate tasks, saving time, and boosting productivity in your projects. Thanks for watching and happy automating.